Welcome back. Now I'm going to work with the final method of my remote mediator implementation. But first, just a quick note. This is a custom implementation of remote mediator. Most of the time, the RESTful API's paging returns an integer for the previous page and the next page. And in this case, my API returns a string, a base64 URL, a base64 URL string, base64 encoding string. So in this case, I need to parse that string. I need to decode and get the ID of the page, but this is not important because in this case I am storing these attributes in the database. I have a table that stores the previous page and the next page in the form of a page links object or entity or class. So in this case, this is why I am also not using the response. I think we as developers need to be prepared for that. We normally work with specifications that most of the time we do not control. So now let me change this to its equivalent lambda. And I also need to change this because this is not strictly a page ID. So this is an unencoded page. So let me go here and refactor this and rename. And this is your get unencoded. Get the unencoded page from a URL, and now I need to change this to refactor this. So this is rename, and this is unencoded page from URL. But I don't think I need this. This is I think this is better, unencoded page. So now I can go here, and here I need to return single dot create new single unsubscribe, and this returns an optional and I need here to remove this. I need to import this package. There it is. Now I can replace this to its lambda equivalent. So here I need to get the page links from the database of page links, and this is equal to my repository, customers repository.get. I don't think I have a function for this. So here, customers repository. Here I need to add a new method, but I think I need to add this to the repository. This is a generic class, so this can be used with any type of objects, any type of entities. In this case, I'm working with customers, but it can work very well with employees or whatever. So page links, where we are implementing a paging. Page links, get page links, and I think I will leave the implementation, the name of the table to the implementation of this interface. So here, implement methods, here page links. Now I can, because this is a customer's repository, I need what to query here. So here my database dot I think I query this from the metadata table, and this doesn't have a function to get the page links for the customers table. So this is a get page links, and I think I need the table name. So here customer dot this is constants dot customer's table name, get page links. So now I can create this method, create, and here this is query select everything from plus constants dot this is metadata table, select everything from where plus where table name, or table name equals this table name can go back here, close order. So this is customers request to get page links. So here if page links equals null, then I need to emit emitter.onSuccess, and this is optional, empty. If not, I need to get the next page here. So if page link equals not, even if it's not null, then I can get the page links. If load type is equal load type prepend, then I need to emitter onSuccess, and this is optional, of, and here I need the page links dot, and here I need the previous page, because this is what we are querying here, what we are prepending. And if load type dot equals load type dot append, here emitter dot onSuccess, and this is page link dot get next page. This is an optional. Optional dot of So prepend, we're using get per page, and for append we are using next page. Now I can map this response. Where is it here? Flat map, new, and here so here if my optional that is present, this else something else. So here in the else I need to return a new single, and for this I think I need to create a new message, r dot string dot no pay no no paging, no. Remember, this is unsuccess of general customer. The page link is null, so in this case, if there's no previous page or next page in the database store, so no page links available. Page links, no page links available. No page links available. No more page links available. No more page links available in the database. So now I can use this. Now I can return here. First I need to get the URL. Remember that this returns as a URL string URL. This is equal to optional dot get. Now I need to get if this URL require type object, adapt using string object, optional. I think this is generic, so string. So URL, and here I need to do same I did here. So string page here. So here, encoded page is url.getNextPage. Or here, I need here the URL. So here I'm getting the page, unencoded string, and if this contains null, I need to do this. If unencoded page contains null, then contains null. That means that we got to the end of paging. So there's no more pages, so I need to return media result success and end of pagination is true. If not, I need to do this. Return flat map. So here, get customers, get flat map response. It's almost the same. So get customers, page links. If this is contains null, based that if this is page link or this is null, then return single HTTP error. Then page links, that's a table name. Yep, but I need refresh customers table name. But here I'm not refreshing. Here I am inserting. So insert customers, and I need to change the page links table. So insert customers, insert into customers table, page links. Let me create this method, create, and my customers repository. This returns a single integer. Here, I think this is almost the same. So here, here I need to counter plus equals database dot. Here I need to insert new data. I'm not deleting it. So get customers DAO dot add all customers. Cannot be applied to a long, so this is that length. Then I need to replace my page links. So database dot page links DAO dot add the page links, and this is all I need here. Add customers and add page links. Okay, I think this is all I need here. So I can go back here and insert this and map function media results. So here, unencoded page. Unencoded page is already defined in the scope. Yeah, this is here. So unencoded page from response. So this is coming from response. So we need to be very careful here because we have another variable with the same name here. So here, function media result integer unencoded page helper class that get unencoded page from URL. And here I'm getting these page links from here, from the response. Body, get next page, and now if contains null, then I'm returning our media result success with a pagination reached to true if there are no more pages. But I need here to get this. So here, inserts into customer story, but here map. Here I need to get if load type equals load type prepend. Then I need here this. So here I need the next page. So if load type is prepend, next page, this is page links dot prepend get previous page, and if not, this is a next page. This is equal to page links dot get next page. So now I can unencode this. This is next page. Initialize variable next page is equal to null. Well, that's better. Using nulls carry a lot of problems. So string next page is an empty string. So here, if next page page links is prepend, then I need to get the previous page, and if not, if it's appended, it is the next page. So here I unencoded that string next page. If encoded page response contains null, that means that we got to the end of paging, so I need to return true. If not, false. Do an error with, I think this is all done, so now I can merge with case prepend, duplicate branching switch, because this is a load type dot prepend. This is load type dot append. Now let me try this. I think and that now I can run this app. Error, the columns returned by the query does not have the properties prep page and the next page. Select from metadata. So here, get metadata table string, the columns returned by the query, table name, updated at, because this is page links, right? Not sure how to handle insert functions return type. So this returns along. There's another error. A room cannot verify the data integrity. Looks like you are changed the schema, so I need to uninstall this or change the version of my database, but I am not going to do that. There is no data. There it is. So this is where in the remote server. But here there's an error. My database contains Hostinger. So let me add here So I have where is it? Customers here contains 188 records, and here I'm not I'm just getting the first page. So here I'm doing something wrong. Let me check here in my database what I have here. Yeah, it only query 20 elements here and page links. Page links, and the next. Let me get what is here. This should be null, right? Yeah, this is null. So this is 21. This is right. This is all right. Metadata here. I need to know what this method is. This method is returning. So here, count. So here, find the error. It was very easy to solve. So here in my backend service, here I'm not using the page. There it is. We are scrolling to the last one. I think is there's 178 records, and I am going to leave testing for the next video. So thank you so much for watching.